Where are we?
At the fishes. Under the sea.
Is this your farm?
No.
Did you see Lalay?
What is that?
Crocodile.
Hello, Lindo. So nice naman ang tali ni Kala. Uy! Nagkaon na mong tilapia? Pasul ni Kala. Hello. Good job, Nerine. You hold this one, oh. This one. You hold it. You hold it.
What?
This one. The nut. Yay! To kuya. Good job, Nerine.
Kamay ay, nahanay daw ni.
Yeah. Si Nerine po. Wow. You hold the tali, Nerine. You hold it para closer to you. It's okay. This one. Hold it.
Beside mo na.
It's okay. Very good, Nerine. Is it Nerine or Daddy? Ayaw pala.
Kailangan ko makahuli ng orange. Uy. Kailangan ko makahuli ng orange.
Kala! Ate Nerine caught some fishes! Nalagari ang fish. Hello! Mommy will go fishing. Wow! Another one! Na-challenge yun sa love. Di mo alam. Mang, hi! Hi, Kala! Hello, Kala! Nagkatawa-tawa. Kala! 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 Peekaboo, Kala! Kala is so cute.
Uy, kaiso pa lang ha? Kaiso. Seryoso ah.
Kala. Kala. Liam. Kanois diri oh. Kita ang coconuts.
Same pa rin.
Balik.
I'm at
Wala
fishes.
maningkuan.
Hmm?
I'm inside the fishes.
Are you happy?
Yeah. But
Si
I
Charles
wanna
ulit
get.
magpapuli.
Nagbata na ako ng sumo. Sumo na siya eh.
Nuningon ba siya? Divide daanig ba yan? Magtirahon.
Got so many monkeys.
Manatipay. Manatipay.
Magkasipay ako.
Wow, baby! Okay na? Wow!
You pulling. Ay, almost. Kalo. I-video guys, ni amin ka na napildi di ka. Amin ka napildi na ka. Guys.
Oo, naamin ko na.
Kay Hunjag Biscuit.